Ilado nga industrial city of the southern Philippines, dili malalis na ang tibuok kalibutan sa unsamang larangan panginabuhian, madako man, magamay nga negosyo apektado gyud sa pandemya. Apan karong hapon atong kumustahon ang pagbangon sa industry og oportunidad na nag-atang sa atong mga kaigsuonang Bisaya Gyud. Halina, bisitaw nato ang Mandaue City.
Daghang salamat, Secretary Martin, ug maayong hapon sa tanan natong viewers and listeners sa Bisaya Gyud. Kini si Kristian Cabahug, Local Tourism Officer ug Executive Director sa Mandaue Investment Promotions Action Center. Ug kini mao ang mga rason ngano atong pilion ang Mandaue City.
Located in the central eastern coastal region of the island province of Cebu, is a first-class, highly urbanized city, the city of Mandaue. For years, it has served as a focal point for manufacturing in the country, with many of the region's largest companies operating in the city. World-class furniture is conceptualized, designed, and manufactured in Mandaue before being shipped around the world. This economy is held aloft by a developed workforce of highly skilled and trainable English-speaking residents educated and trained in private and government-funded schools within Mandaue. Economic growth is driven by the close working relationship between the business community and the local government, with business registrations having grown significantly in 2018, rising from over 13,000 to over 20,000. Mandaue City believes that collaboration among the government, local community, and civil society ensures inclusive growth. It is therefore committed to providing effective business registration procedures, promoting small businesses and investments, and nurturing businesses to last. As a result, institutions such as the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industries, Department of Interior and Local Government, and the Department of Trade and Industry have bestowed Mandaue with awards of distinction. Another crucial area of concern that every modern and evolving city must consider is the threat of pollution and traffic. This is why one of the key strategies is enforcing environmental laws, counteracting pollution, and also creating and implementing a comprehensive traffic plan. Mandaue is famous for being a bridge city, not only because of the two major bridges that connect it to Mactan Island, but also it connects visitors and citizens alike to important destinations. Mandaue also serves as the main gateway to mainland Cebu. As such, the city aims to provide the best roads and highways for the driving and commuting public. Since Mandaue became a chartered city in 1969 and recognized as a highly urbanized city in 1991, it has grown into a world-class, livable destination. Mandaue also aims to be an ideal place for urban living. Those planning to move here can choose from sprawling subdivisions, affordable apartments, and high-rise condominiums located all over the city. Commercial and hospitality centers have also sprouted, offering unique experiences for locals and tourists alike to enjoy. Despite its progressive march into the future, Mandaue City does not forget its roots and has made efforts to ensure its culture and history are cared for. In line with these values, a number of heritage houses have been recognized and carefully preserved, keeping their storied histories alive. Mandaue City, a great place to call home, a great place to work in, the ideal investment destination. Choose Mandaue.
And this is Mandaue City, our home, our pride, our future. I am Mandaue, we are Mandaue. Back to you, Secretary Andanar.
Bisaya Gyud! Bisaya Gyud! Bisaya Gyud!